Our nominees for Nonprofit of the Year are Fauquier SPCA.
My name is Devin Settle. I'm the Executive Director of the Fauquier SPCA out here in Casanova. We have 3 facilities out here at the Fauquier SPCA. We have a no-kill adoption center. We have a low-cost spay-neuter veterinary clinic that does surgeries and vaccines and things like that. And then we have an animal control center that we basically contract with the county to take care of animals of the county, and that animal control would bring in, or sick or injured, unowned animals, animals that need our help. When this land was donated, we needed the adoption center, and then it grew to where we needed the animal control facility. We want to build out the low-cost spay-neuter clinic a little bit more so we can better provide services for the community. I want to build a petting zoo out here so we have something for the little ones to come out here and do. I want more people here. I want people to know what we do. I want to help more animals. I don't think there can ever be okay, we've accomplished everything, we don't need to do any more. There's always more to be done. Our impact on the community is huge and on so many different levels. I mean, from helping the Sheriff's Department in cases of animal cruelty or neglect, and helping people that need to take care of their animals that don't have the means to, or people that have found themselves in circumstances where they can't keep their animals and they want help. They want someone that can take them and find them the appropriate homes, to reaching out to the children, and teaching them about animals and care, and getting them involved in a nonprofit in some way that, I think is going to make them better people when they grow up. I think that our nonprofit has huge impact on the community, and that's who we're here for. We're here for the community, but the animals and the people.
Mental Health Association of Fauquier County.
I'm Sally Morgan. I'm Executive Director of the Mental Health Association of Fauquier. 50% of us will experience a mental health challenge sometime during our lifetime, and at any given time, 1 in 5 of us actually has a diagnosable condition. But unfortunately, many of us are hesitant to share that we're struggling or to reach out for help. And the stigma associated with substance abuse and addiction is even stronger. So, the Mental Health Association is all about changing that conversation in our community about both mental health and substance use. We have added a major focus on mental health first aid. We launched the Mental Health First Aid program, and we've now trained over 1,400 people in this community, and that has all sorts of ripple effects in terms of changing the community's perceptions and also helping people know where to go for help. We have always had, but greatly strengthened, our emphasis on young people, because half of mental health problems show up in childhood or adolescence. We've also added a real focus on substance use. That is such a prominent issue in our community, like so many others. I see the Mental Health Association continuing to be a catalyst in the community, a convener of other community partners to figure out how we can solve problems. And I hope that in the end, we will embrace people who are struggling in our community. We'll know how to reach out to people who are in psychological pain or who are experiencing addiction, that they will feel supported by their friends and neighbors, and that they can get treatment when they need it, right when they need it.
Rainforest Trust.
I'm Dr. Paul Salomon. I'm the CEO of Rainforest Trust. We're based here in Airlie, just outside of Warrenton. And we're a small non-profit focused on the conservation of tropical forests and endangered species all across the tropics. And we have a team of 40 people based here, basically working to save the most endangered places on Earth. Being in Fauquier County, it's interesting. You think of a rainforest organization. In Fauquier, people often ask, well, where are the rainforests? But the truth is that we act locally, but we think globally. Our impact and reach is worldwide. And to date, in 30 years, we have saved over 19 million acres. The premise of setting aside areas at risk that are really important for wildlife and local communities and putting those areas into protection remains as important today as it ever was. That mission has stayed the same, but as an organization we've grown over the years in terms of our ability to fulfill that mission. Every 24 seconds, we permanently protect an acre of rainforest. That's what we've done this year. As an organization, as a non-profit, we've been very successful in the last 7 years, and part of that success has been where we're based. We hope to continue to grow that, and we hope that we can really follow through with our mission. We're proud that we're one of the highest rated non-profits in the country through Charity Navigator that independently evaluates every non-profit. We have consistently had their highest rating. We have no intention to move. We just want to grow and continue to participate in the local community and obviously have a major impact worldwide.